the next project, since we're talking about doily hearts, I thought I would show you an envelope I shared as a craft for a Valentine tablescape, and I'll be sure to put a link in the description to that Valentine table. But I'm going to show you how I made this because it's super easy. So this heart has a design on it, and that design is kind of like your recipe to make the envelope. So you'll basically fold in this line here, fold number 2 over, fold 3 down, and then 4. Next, apply some glue to the sides and flip it over like so. Make sure to not get glue on the triangle at the top. And then what I did was I sat a book on it until the glue was secure, and then you have a little envelope. Now that we've made our charming heart envelopes, let me show you how I used mine at our family Valentine's dinner. I added these adorable envelopes to each place setting with a blank piece of paper inside as a party favor for everyone to take home and write a special note on Valentine's Day. You could also use these as gift card holders, Valentine's cards, or even scrapbook keepsakes. There are so many creative possibilities. This is also a fun craft for kids. Let them decorate and make something special to share. If you love this cozy craft, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more creative ideas. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you soon. Bye!